Hello traders, my name is Anka Metcalf, president of TradeOutLoud.com, the premier online and on-site trading school for Forex, equities, and futures, day traders and investors. Today is May 12, 2013, and we will be taking a close look at our game plan for the euro-dollar currency pair for the week of May 13th through May 17th. What we have in front of us is a chart, actually a monthly chart of the euro dollar, and we're going to start with our top-down analysis on this currency pair. So far you see the downtrending price action on the euro dollar onto the monthly chart. We see a little bit of consolidation that is forming right here, and we will be taking a closer look at this formation on the lower time frames. We're going to flip to the weekly chart right here, where we have more information about this price action on the euro dollar. So right now we are into consolidation area. We have just breached the 1.300 number, psychological number, and we have a lot of resistance that was formed on the 1.3200. We know that the major trend is down, so therefore we're going to be taking a closer look at this formation right here. You see this bottom right here, neglected to make a new low compared to this low right here, which makes this price action to the right hand side a little bit bullish. So we had a move up and then we retraced, a move higher, then we retraced again. Now let's pay attention at these lows right here. Okay, so we have the bottom and we have one higher low and we have the second higher low, and we have a series of two higher highs right here into this area before this retracement happened right here. Now this consolidation supports both movements, to the downside and to the upside as well. In order to focus more on this and how we should consolidate our game plan, how we should form our bias for this week, we're going to move to the daily chart. So onto the daily chart, everything seems so much clearer right here. We've just breached that 1.300 psychological number. We pierced lower. I'm going to take a support line right here, place it right here. This is the support that was formed so from back in April. So right now, this is the first breach from April. Okay, so this can actually sustain a lower price action to this pivot right here. So I'm going to take another support line. I'm going to place it right here. So there you have it, a tradable void. So the more we're going to stabilize and the more the price action is going to stay in this area and consolidate into this area, the more it's going to support a move lower. And a final target on this one is going to be approximately 1.2750, which is a fulcrum number. So we're going to pay special attention to that. So the more the price action stays in this area, the more likely that the euro dollar is going to fill this tradable void. Now, what happens if price action, gains power and comes up right into this resistance area? Well, the game plan is going to shift. And what we're going to witness right here, any break over 3200 is just going to project it higher. And we're going to be looking at this potential target right here, right into this area of 3600, 3650, again, fulcrum number. So again, we have a huge tradable void right here. So far, we have two biases. The first bias coincides with the major trend, which is downtrending, and it supports a lower price action into 2750, 2700. If we should gain strength into the first days, then we should actually see, and if we see a breach of 1.3200, this can project the price higher. Now let's go to the 4-hour chart and see the channel, how the channel is formed right here. So far on this channel, we see 1, 2, 3 highs right into this area, and we have almost two lows right here. Here's the breach of that support line and bounce back a little bit higher. Now, in the coming days, this is going to be the secret right here. Day traders can look to trade both ways and can look actually to buy this bottom right here and can play this range. And you could play it aggressively with an entry around this area of 2950 2980, which can actually go higher into the 3190 area. So this is for day traders, for scalpers as well. Now, when we go to the 1 hour chart, what we see is that we have the same consolidation. You see the purple lines right here. So it's going to be a little bit tricky to trade. All right. So if you're a channel trader, if you wish to trade with the channel, you could buy this bounce right here. But there, because of the strong downtrend, there is no guarantee that the price can reach this resistance line. So therefore, our game plan, we're going to narrow it down to the 30-minute chart. So right now, you could see the downtrend that is forming right now. If you're a day trader, you're going to be focusing at these resistance areas of 1.3000, 1.3050, right into this area. Huge consolidation right here. And then you're going to be focusing on 3117 right here, right into this area. And of course, you're going to be focusing. So you're going to be going little by little. If you're a larger time frame trader, you have to stick with your game plan and your time frame, the 4 hour time frame and the daily time frame. And therefore, you're going to be looking for an entry short under 2950 or a little bit above this, 29 or a little bit below this. So this is going to be your area, your entry area. You can focus pinpoint that area through the 15-minute chart and look at support resistance right there, and also look at the pivot points that you have on the chart. So far, for a short idea, this is the exact entry area, like I said, 2950. And with a stop above this area of 3200. So this is going to be your stop, and you're going to be looking at a target of 2750. This is going to be your target right here. Now, you can actually have a tighter stop in the euro dollar. The tighter stop is going to be determined by the 30-minute time frame right here. So you can enter short right under 2950 and place your stop above 1.3050. So this way you have a better risk to reward. So this is our game plan for the euro dollar into the coming week. Our major bias is to trade lower. We're going to be looking at an entry around this area of 2950, and we're going to be looking for a stop of 1.3050, and for a target area, we're going to be looking for 2742. So this is our game plan for the euro dollar for the week of May 13th through the 17th. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to visit us online, www.tradeoutloud.com. Visit our Facebook page at facebook.com/tradeoutloud. Thank you, and see you next time.